Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Idli Upma. This Idli Upma can be made using fresh idlis or refrigerated ones. There are many variants in making this Idli Upma. I'm going to share a very simple, non-spicy and a basic recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add a tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds and quarter teaspoon of split urad dal. Wait till the mustard seeds completely splutter. Then to this add 3 dried red chilies. You can alter the spice levels according to your taste. Few curry leaves. And 1 onion very finely chopped. Then add quarter teaspoon of salt. Adjust the salt according to the salt you added to the idli. Now saute all the ingredients well until the onion turns transparent. Now the onions are well done, so go ahead and add 4 crumbled idlis. You can crumble the idlis using your hands. Mix it well and saute for 2 minutes in medium flame. The flavors of the curry leaves, dried red chilies and the onions should all come together well. After 2 minutes, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. Now our delicious Idli Upma is ready. So off the flame and serve it hot with some sambar and chutney and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy and a very delicious recipe. So do try this Idli Upma recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.